Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate BigQuery for ad performance dashboards step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Log in to your Google account linked to your Google Cloud project. Once you're logged in, select the project you want to use for your BigQuery ad performance dashboards. In the left sidebar, locate and click on APIs and Services. Next, click on Library. In the search bar, type BigQuery API and select it from the results. Make sure the BigQuery API is enabled for your project. Once enabled, go back to APIs and Services and select Credentials. Click on the Create Credentials button. From the drop-down menu, select Service Account. Fill in the service account details such as name and description. After filling in the details, click Create. On the next screen, assign the necessary roles to the service account, such as BigQuery Admin, click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll have the option to create a key for the service account. Select JSON as the key type and click Create. The JSON key file will automatically keep this file secure, as it contains sensitive information. Now, open the BigQuery Web UI from the Google Cloud Console. In the BigQuery interface, find your project and dataset. Click on Share Dataset to grant access to your service account. In the Permissions section, add the service account email that you created earlier. Adjust the permissions to allow access for reading or writing based on your needs. Click Done to finalize the permissions. Now, open your Ad Performance Dashboard tool that supports BigQuery. Locate the Settings or Configuration area for data sources. Choose the option to add a new data source and select BigQuery. When prompted, upload the JSON key file you downloaded earlier. Fill in the required fields such as project ID and dataset name. Test the connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once the connection is verified, save your settings. Your ad performance dashboard should now be connected to BigQuery. You can now start pulling in data from BigQuery into your dashboard. Monitor the data flow to ensure it's working as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.